I do not think that moms are lazy. I think that they are literally just so exhausted from thinking that they have to choose between being a present mama, but also helping contribute to their family financially. It's the stigma behind being a mom, a stay-at-home mom in particularly, because I honestly don't even know if I know what stigma means, but it sounded right. So it's basically just like the idea behind stay-at-home moms and what's expected of them. We put a lot of stress on ourselves to be perfect, especially as a stay-at-home mom, to have a clean house, to be the one setting all the appointments, the one running the kids to and from everywhere. But yet we still have this burden feeling like we need to be contributing financially. It's not that we don't want to. We want to be contributing to our family. It's just hard, and society wants you to be that stay-at-home, that present mama, and it's hard. We can't go back to work. You can't go work a 9 to 5 and be a stay-at-home mom. So what are you supposed to do, right? What are we supposed to do? So I was working a 9 to 5 and I got to be a stay-at-home mom. So I know what it's like on both sides. I know what it's like to be a working mom. I know what it's like to be a stay-at-home mom. Neither is easy by any means. And for the most part, whether you're a stay-at-home mom or a working mom, most of us are struggling. I am one of those people. I am in the process of learning and growing, doing things to build skills that can help us have a little bit of breathing room, help out financially without having to sacrifice that time with my family. I don't know if y'all know, but we live full time in this RV here. My husband got injured. So that's another layer to this, is that, just having a second stream of income for emergencies is extremely, extremely important. And I learned that firsthand. So 3 months into being a stay-at-home mom, my husband got injured on the job. And as of right now, he can no longer go back to work. So we've been living off of workman's comp, and we've been struggling. We don't have that second stream of income. We did not have a savings plan. We didn't have any of that. So building something that I could do for my family, so I know that like our future is secure, and to give us a little bit of breathing room and a second stream of income, I would do anything for that. And that's what I've been doing. I've been learning digital skills that can never be taken away from me. Never because of job loss or because of an injury or whatever factors come into play. It can never be taken away from me. It's a skill that I can use for the rest of my life. The reason I share this with so many people is because I've been through it all too. Everybody has a story, and we all are just struggling so much. I just encourage you to do what you can to figure out how to get some sort of extra stream of income so you're prepared for that when life decides to life. Anywho, I'm rambling now. Y'all, Dixie's wandering around getting bored sitting here. If you want to know what I've been doing, I've got a free course that has some training, free resources for you to get started in an online journey building a backup plan for your family. All you got to do is tap my face right there, click on that link into your email one time, and all the free resources and the training will be right there for you guys. And as always, my DMs are always open. If you have any questions about anything, just holler.